Fresh air and bathroom exhausts usually require multiple fans, multiple ducts, and multiple wall penetrations. Until now. Introducing the ventsus IRF 150, a reversible inline fan that delivers fresh air and exhaust ventilation in one single compact unit. The IRF 150 uses only one exterior penetration, eliminating the need for separate outdoor supply and exhaust terminations, and removing the typical 10-foot separation requirement. Inside the unit, there are two dedicated fans, one for supply and one for exhaust, paired with an automatic motorized damper that switches airflow direction in real time. Fresh air mode opens the intake path, and exhaust mode closes it and vents stale air out. The IRF 150 delivers up to 205 CFM while using only 37.7 watts, supporting 6-inch ducting and meeting ASHRAE 62.2 fresh air requirements, with automatic cyclic operation. The unit includes 120-volt power output as well as a built-in step-down transformer providing 24-volt power, allowing direct connection to timers, thermostats, or humidistats. Exhaust mode always takes priority, automatically responding to humidity when connected. With its low-profile design, the IRF 150 easily fits into 8-inch drop ceilings, reducing duct runs, simplifying installation, and cutting labor times. One fan, one duct, one penetration. The ventsus IRF 150, a smarter way to deliver fresh air and exhaust in modern residential construction.